world is playing catch-up from the pandemic, trying to rebuild inventories. Supply lines are taxed, and delays in receiving goods from outside the U.S. is experiencing massive delays. The motorcycle industry is on an upswing, as riding is a fantastic social distancing tool. Harley owners are fortunate because their favorite motorcycle brand is produced right here in York, PA. And their favorite tire is made right up the road in Buffalo, New York. Local production equals flow of goods unimpeded by shipping delays, supporting American workers, and getting market-driven products. It also means that your local Harley Davidson dealer can be your best source for the OE tires that Harley Davidson Engineering approved for your bike. This means the best handling and ride performance. So keep riding. Visit your local Harley Davidson franchise and insist on the best Dunlop tires produced in Buffalo, New York by American workers and designed with Harley Davidson engineering specifications in mind. We are still building, they are still mounting, and you are still riding.
For more information on the products listed in this video, click on the link in the description area below. Feel free to call us with any questions or place an order at 800-969-7501. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, and subscribe for all of the latest DK events, videos, and promos.